MRI software development honest review. Watch before using. Most people get property management software wrong. They think it's complicated or only for large enterprises. The surprising truth about MRI software is that it offers flexible, scalable solutions for real estate management, and you won't believe how much it can streamline operations. Here's how it works. MRI provides tools for lease administration, accounting, facilities management, and reporting. It's used by property managers, owners, and investors to handle commercial and residential portfolios efficiently. For example, a mid-sized property management company could automate rent collection, track maintenance requests, and generate financial reports with a few clicks. Most people get this wrong. They assume software is rigid, but MRI's platform is modular and highly configurable. Additional features include mobile access, integrations with third-party tools, tenant portals, and customizable dashboards. Users praise its scalability, reporting capabilities, and ability to manage complex portfolios. However, there are considerations. Initial setup and training require time, and smaller teams may need support to leverage all features. Most people assume property software is plug and play, but MRI excels with proper onboarding and usage. In conclusion, MRI software is ideal for real estate professionals seeking comprehensive, flexible, and scalable solutions to manage properties efficiently and gain actionable insights. Subscribe for more honest reviews of software and tech solutions for business.